Our life story at a glance. Our style of presentation. We not only narrate our conversations, but also display them on the screen in written form. Our viewers read this conversation as well as listen to it. For the convenience of the viewers, we give a short pause after each piece of writing so that the viewers can easily read and understand our point of view. Thank you. When we come into this world, our mind is like a blank slate. Writing on this blank slate begins right from the start of our life. We are not the authors of this story. Someone else writes the script. The authors of our life story are our schooling, parenting, society, traditions, tribe, religion, authorities, economic system, social media, and so on. The irony is that the story is written by these people while we spend our whole life acting it out. Now the time has come for us to wipe this slate clean and write our own story and live our life on our own terms. Thank you for watching. Please share if you like the content.